This is a demo for my upcoming Figma plugin, Figma Mobile Upload, which does probably exactly what you think it does. So let me open it up here and I will run you through why I made it and then how it works. So I'm a product designer at GitHub, which means I'm remote and I spend a lot of time in software like Figma and Google Docs and GitHub itself and other cloud software to let me collaborate remotely with my other teammates. Um, but a lot of my thinking generally starts in an analog space, so on a whiteboard, using post-it notes or a sketch like this. And for me, getting a sketch like this into Figma is a really frustrating process. Usually it involves taking a photo of it and then emailing it to myself or sending it somehow or syncing it to Dropbox. And once it's in my computer, that's when I just drag it in. And I think this inhibits a lot of early stage collaboration on remote teams, and that's a thing that I'm trying to solve here. So what mobile upload does is really simple. It just presents you here with a QR code. And you can scan this with any modern camera on an Android or an iOS phone. And so let me do that really quickly. The moment that I press this link, Figma knows it's connected and my phone knows it's connected to Figma. And now I get this upload an image button. And when I click that, I get the option to either upload a photo that I've already taken, so a photo of this cat, or I can take a photo of the sketch file that I just showed you. Well, not a file, but it will be soon. So okay, so let me upload a cat really quickly. So I am just like tapping on this cat, and then I'm done. And that's it. That's how fast this thing is. So let me upload another image, and this time I'll click on camera. You also have an option to do that in iOS. And then I get a regular camera that I can point down at my sketch, take a photo, and then just so you see how fast it is, just upload this. And that's it. I have my sketch in here. I can rotate it. Usually the rotation is going to be right. Sometimes it's not going to be. But yeah, I hope that this is useful for you and your teams, and you should expect it to be released soon.